Welcome to Casa Blue Jay here at Las Catalinas, Costa Rica. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home features 2,900 square feet over 3 stories. This is an incredible ocean view property located in the walking town of Las Catalinas. Las Catalinas is a walkable beachfront town inspired by a concept of Mediterranean architecture and community living, and it is a completely car-free environment. Over 1,000 acres of tropical dry forest, as well as miles of world-class hiking and biking trails surround Las Catalinas. As you enter Casa Blue Jay, you'll appreciate the unique architectural details, plunge pool and foyer area. The main living area features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with access to a covered balcony area. As we get to the second level of Casa Blue Jay, you'll appreciate the spacious dining, living, and kitchen areas. In addition, you have an amazing ocean view from this beautiful covered terrace. The third level features the master bedroom and 3rd guest bedroom. Each bedroom features its own ensuite bathroom and volume ceilings. The best place to spend your afternoons is on the master bedroom balcony. From this vantage point, you can hear and see the waves at Playa Danta. Casa Blue Jay is sold fully furnished and completely turnkey, and would make a beautiful home or vacation rental property. Thank you again for touring Casa Blue Jay with us here today. I hope that you'll make this home your next great investment or your permanent home here in Costa Rica. Buenos días.